Today, we shall see a demonstration on how to conduct consolidation tests. Under any applied loads, soil undergoes compression, that is, change in volume. If the soil is saturated, then water is expelled from the soil in order for volume change to occur. This time-dependent process resulting in volume change is called consolidation. From oedometer tests, one can determine the rate of consolidation of the soils under a given load. We shall now see what are the different parts of the oedometer. First, it is the dial gauge to record the volume changes. It is in contact with the loading yoke. The yoke applies the load on the sample which is inside the consolidation pot. Then, you have the loading arm and screw jack. Finally, the weights to apply required pressure on the sample. You will require a sample ring in which the soil is placed into to undertake the test. On the left-hand side, you can see an empty sample ring, while sample ring with soil is on the right-hand side. You will also require top and bottom porous stones, sample holder, knurled nuts and the consolidation pot. In order to record dial gauge readings at specific time intervals, you will require a clock or a timer. We shall now see how the sample is fitted in the consolidation pot. First, determine the thickness and diameter of the sample ring. Trim and fit in the undisturbed soil sample into the ring. Flatten the top and bottom surfaces of the soil sample. Place the bottom porous stone into the consolidation pot. Now, place the sample ring containing soil such that the sharp edge of the ring faces upwards. Place the holder on top of the sample ring, and secure its position by tightening the 3 knurled nuts by your hand. Once the sample is secured, place the top porous stone which is attached to the loading cap, over the sample ring. Now we shall see how the consolidation pot is placed on the oedometer. Making sure that the loading arm is supported by the screw jack, position the loading yoke over the sample. Once the consolidation pot is set, fill the pot to the brim with distilled water, and note the initial dial gauge reading. Now apply the required weights on the loading arm. In this case, a seating load of 0.5 kg per centimeter square is applied. Release the jack and allow load to bear on sample. Start to record the readings simultaneously with the loading. Take dial gauge readings after 15, 30 seconds, 1, 2, 4, 8, 15 and 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, release the load, remove the yoke and weights, drain the consolidation pot and remove the sample. Based on the test data, calculate the degree of consolidation, and coefficient of consolidation for the soil sample.